In this video we're going to look at restoring files in OneDrive if you've accidentally deleted something. So there are two ways of doing it. I've logged onto my OneDrive account here using a web browser. So you can log into office.com, click on the 9 little boxes and select OneDrive. And there's a couple of options we've got. First off, there's the recycle bin. So if we click on recycle bin, you'll notice here that there's a test document which was deleted today. The time is the kind of Microsoft server times in the US. So although it was only deleted about half an hour ago or so, it's saying it was 5 AM, but that's because it's just kind of Pacific Standard Time or something. If I wanted to recover that file, all I have to do is click on the little circle and click restore. If we've accidentally deleted a lot of documents, you can kind of go down and select all if you wanted and click restore or select the ones you wanted. There's another way of doing it, which is if we click on the gear icon at the top and we go to OneDrive, restore your OneDrive. This is kind of a super restore. So what we can do is we can roll back to a certain date. So we can say, okay, let's select the date 1 week ago. And OneDrive will give me a list of changes that it's made over the last sort of month, and I can move the slider to select which ones I wanted. So at the moment there's nothing actually going on in this account. There was only that one document which I created today and deleted to show how it could be done. But if you looked at this on your OneDrive, you'd see all kinds of bars going along which showed you the amount of activity that was going on that day, and you could kind of roll back and say, right, roll back to 7 days ago, exactly as my OneDrive would have been then, and hit restore. If we look down the bottom, we can actually see the files that it will affect. But it's one of those where if something catastrophic happened to your OneDrive kind of a month ago or something like that, you can use this and it will restore your OneDrive back to exactly as it was on that day. Like I say, or alternatively, you can just go in the recycle bin, tick whichever files that you wanted to recover and click restore. And that's how we recover files in OneDrive.